with Emma and sew clothes. Let's put the templates on the fabric. And now we'll cut out the details. That's all. Let's sew the small bottom dress. Press the pedal to sew. Don't stop. Now let's start ironing clothes. Don't stop. Let's try on the clothes. Drag the clothes onto Alice. Oh! You're doing great. Now let's sew a fluffy underskirt from transparent fabric. Let's put the templates on the fabric. Let's cut. Done! Let's sew the underskirt. Don't stop! Let's iron out all the wrinkles. We did it! Let's do it as possible. Keep outer skirt. Let's put the templates on the fabric. And now we'll cut out the details. You're doing great! Now let's sew the outer skirt. Keep up the good work. Let's iron out all the wrinkles. Keep it up. Let's try it on as soon as possible. Oh! Keep up the good work. First, let's get to it. Let's lay out the templates on the fabric. Drag the templates onto the fabric. And now we'll cut out the details. We did it! Let's sew a purse. Done! Let's try on the clothes. Done! Dancing shoes. First, let's assemble the top of the footwear. Let's apply glue to join the top and the sole. Let's pull the lever down to glue the parts of the footwear. Let's polish to a shine. Let's try on the clothes. Oh! We did it!
Oh! Mm-hmm. Oh!
Alice looks stylish. What a dance! Well done, Alice. Who doesn't love playing in the snow? Alice is going to the mountains. She needs a warm outfit. Let's start with the turtleneck. Let's lay out the templates on the fabric. Let's cut. Drag the scissors along the cut line. You're doing great! Now let's sew the pieces together. Press the pedal to sew. Done! Let's iron out all the wrinkles. Don't stop! Let's try on the clothes. Drag the clothes onto Alice.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing!